SendWave money transfer tutorial, how to use SendWave to send and receive money. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use SendWave. We'll take a look at main features, we'll take a look at honest reviews about SendWave. Is it worth using in this year? Is it like good enough to compare it with other things? So basically nothing hard, and what is really interesting is that on the first page on our website, of course, we can use the app. So we can easily scan QR code to find the app on App Store or Google Play. So basically you can use it on Android or like iOS. But here on the website, to show you main features, I think this is the best variant because interface on the app is quite the same. So all you need to do with to send money with SendWave on the app is to use the same steps I'll show today. So make sure to watch it till the very end, you won't make any mistakes. So we have this calculator here where we can choose what currency we'd like to send from. So we have a bunch of different currencies from USA, Kingdom, Spain, Italy, Ireland, France, Canada, Belgium, and also you can find currencies we will send to, for example, countries or currencies, doesn't matter, like to Brazil, Cameroon, Colombia, huge amounts of different countries, and basically you can try to search for the necessary one. The most popular are of course like Thailand, Philippines, Sri Lanka, and basically we can easily use SendWave to send money to these countries. And to find the exchange rate, we just simply need to enter the amount we'd like to send. Let's say they want to send 1,000 US dollars, and at the end we'll receive 55,000 in Philippines. So as you can see, we don't have any fees for the first transfer, and it's pretty cool. So SendWave is good enough to send money to these countries. As you can see, we can explain all the countries like Bangladesh, Cameroon. We can find all the list already up here. You need to know that not every single country provided by SendWave to send to. We have only maybe 15 or 20 different countries we can send to. So according to the recipient, you need to find is it suitable as for you to send money through SendWave. Otherwise you can use Wise, Remitly, World Remit, and some other platforms like Xoom to send money. So it depends on your choice. If you're interested in it, you can of course do it by yourself. So if you're going to speak about is it safe to use SendWave, we can find article, is it safe enough to use SendWave, and we can find that in order to create an account we need pass verification. Also they provide us huge data security, is their top priority. They work hard to protect all our data, including transaction history, passwords, and personal information. Also, fraud prevention is on a high level. They use advanced technology to help detect and prevent suspicious activity and fraudulent behavior. Also, there is a huge account protection with two-factor authentication on the SendWave account. It's unauthorized use. As you can see, if you ever notice unauthorized activity on your SendWave account, we can easily contact the support team and they will solve this situation as fast as possible. And also SendWave and our affiliates are regulated in each of the countries where we offer money transfer services, so it's pretty cool. One more thing about SendWave is that they provide us the opportunity to use their help 24/7. We can easily contact them with support, or we can call them in any country. We can use the SendWave. Basically, if you're going to speak about reviews on Trustpilot, it has 11,000 reviews, and the average mark is 4.5, which is pretty high. 81% is 5-star reviews, 7% is 4-star, which is a really good result as for the platform to send money, because sometimes there could be some issues, some problems, but SendWave is really good. We can easily like fix all the problems, and even they replied to 98% of negative reviews. So they try to fix every single situation to like keep a high mark of quality and so on. So it's pretty like cool, yeah. And basically we can find a lot of information about SendWave. If you have like a bunch of questions how it works or something like this, we can always go to frequently asked questions to see, like, for example, how can my recipient open a Wave account, do recipients pay additional fees to withdraw cash, what agent should your recipient visit to withdraw their money, and so on. So basically it's like really easy, but what is not that good is that, as you can see, we don't have the option to send money through the like web version. We only have the option to send it through like our app. So it's easy to sign up. We can just link your debit card, verify your identity, and send in a minute. So just simply like fill all the information, and after that it will be like ready. So fast and convenient money transfers, skip the line and send money from your phone to your loved ones in seconds. And also we can like find that it's trusted by over 1 million users. SendWave is operated by Chain Incorporated and is authorized to transmit money in the US, Canada, the UK, and the European Union. So we can find a lot of different like reviews about SendWave, and also we can find a story on the website. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to understand, and on the like phone we have this interface I'm going to show you. So basically we need to add a recipient here. After that, add the amount of money we'd like to send. We'll find the exchange rate, and after that we can choose the way we can basically send. So we can link our debit card, as I already said, or credit card probably. We can also try to transfer with a bank account. So as you can see, really easy to work and understand. We have only like one page interface on the app. So in conclusion, what can we say? That SendWave worth using and visiting if you find the number of countries you'd like to use, you'd like to interact with, because not a lot of country allowed on SendWave. For example, on Wise or on Zoom, we have like much bigger list of countries we can use. So yeah, if you like have any problems, you can write your comments and I'll try to answer for your question. If you found this guide useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.